Is your iPhone's contact search not working? That can be really annoying, right? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off and on iCloud contacts. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Apple ID from the top. After that, tap on iCloud from here. Then click on See All from here. After that, scroll down a little and find the Contacts option. Then toggle it off and hit Keep on My iPhone from the pop-up menu. Now wait for a few seconds and toggle Contacts on. Then hit the Merge option from here. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Offload the Contacts app. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down a little and tap on Show All. Then find and tap on Contacts from here. Next, tap on the Offload app button. Then tap on Offload app, and it will be offloaded. Now just tap Reinstall app and the Contacts app will begin reinstalling. Once it's finished, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone settings. Open up the Settings app once more. Tap on General. Next, find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will now be reset and the issue should be gone. So that's how you fix the contact search issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. Have questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply soon. Thanks for watching.